After some fun adventures in Montana and a shortened visit to Glacier National Park, we made the decision to skip over the rest of Montana and northern Idaho and head for Washington in search of clearer skies and cooler temperatures.
We are so excited to enjoy Washington's fairy tale forests, huge volcanoes, epic coastline, and of course, some wildlife.
We're Jenna and Jeremy.
In August 2020, we bought an RV.
In September 2020, we sold everything and hit the road full time.
Follow our adventures as we explore more of our incredible planet Earth.
Don't forget to press that subscribe button and turn on post notifications for weekly travel videos.
You can find us on Instagram at Quench Your Adventure. Now on to the good stuff. A tip for your visit to Washington: buy a Discover Pass. It's $35 for an annual pass that offers you access to millions of acres of state recreation lands in Washington, including more than 100 state parks.
Olallie State Park is about 30 minutes west of Seattle, and we're here in search of some rocks to play on.
You smell it?
It smells like Christmas. It smells so good.
That's so nice.
Oh. We are here in Washington State, and we are about to go climbing. Not on that, but on this.
If you've never been rock climbing before and it's something you're interested in, indoor rock climbing gyms are more and more common these days, and it's fairly easy to find a guide to take you outdoors depending on where you live. It's fun exercise and a great way to experience the outdoors.
Olallie State Park is renowned for its lovely waterfalls, and it's a great place to hike. There are also mountain bike trails, excellent fishing, and 11 first come, first served picnic tables.
Oh my gosh. This is scary. So close to the top though. My ankle hurts. I think I'm good. Yeah. Sure? Yep. Okay. Sit back. Spider-Man. Woo! I'm gonna switch over to this side. Goodness. Wowzers. Oh, there's a tree right here. Hello, tree. Hello, people. Hello, Jeremy. My toes are so jammed.
That's it for our first day in Washington. Thanks for watching, and we hope you'll stay tuned for our next adventure in the most visited national park in Washington State, Mount Rainier. See you later.